Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox connection error. Sorry, there was a problem reaching our servers. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of three steps. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on your network connection. In my case I am using Ethernet and select properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS server type 8844. Click on OK to save it and just close stuff here. Second step, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it and press enter. After finishing this, just to close stuff here. Third step, you just need to open up Chrome. Click on this three dot icon and scroll down and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side you just need to scroll down and select side settings and scroll down and select third party cookies and scroll down and select see side data and permissions. Click on it and now you just need to search for Roblox. Click on the trash icon and delete it, and after that you just need to go to about Chrome on the left side, and now the Chrome will automatically check for update. After getting Chrome you are up to date, just need to select this three dot icon and select extension and select manage extensions. If you are using any VPN, then you just need to remove it guys. Select the remove option and remove the VPN. After removing the VPN, you just need to close tab here. Now you can open the Roblox and check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.